Lesson 60, the last lesson in part 1, and it deals with the cardinal points of the compass, north, south, east and west. Now, if you have a mind to travel to foreign parts, listen to Aileen.
O Hua, towards the north. O Yas, towards the south. Sir, towards the east. Shir, towards the west.
And now, like the three caballeros, we're on our way somewhere, so come along and join us.
Dimisha O Hua, he went north. Dimisha O Hua. Dimisha O Yas, he went south. Dimisha O Yas. Dimisha Sir, he went east. Dimisha Sir. Dimisha Shir, he went west. Dimisha Shir. Dimisha Mach, he went out. Dimisha Mach. Dimisha Aspale, he went from home. Dimisha Aspale.
And now for some more comings and goings, with you repeating the phrases as you see them coming up.
Nahemiya Machanacht. Don't go out tonight. Nahemiya Machanacht.